Hi, everyone. Mona Lisa, the art of typewriter. This person draws the Mona Lisa by typewriter.
You guys, I was just trying to feed him, but he died.
This lady is trying to save a small snake, so she feeds him, but he is in the last moments.
I don't know what to do. He's so dead. Poor guy.
Fortunately, he is alive and will live.
I'm trying to feed you. You didn't have to die. Oh wait, you're back? Okay, welcome back.
Teacher, demonstrate surprising hack to refresh markers.
So I Googled how to refresh a marker. And they said, after a lot of checking for water and all that stuff, but put a piece of tape on, a piece of cord on it, tape it on, and then using centrifugal force, you're going to swing this around your head about 25 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I feel really silly. Really silly. And then try not to hit yourself as it goes down. And then your marker is refreshed.
Talented man creates flaming amazing artwork using gunpowder and fire. The team used the girl instead of the ball, and they were really skilled.
Ela é amiga da minha mulher. Pois é, pois é.
This dog is stubborn and insists on bringing the stick through the door, even though he grabbed it by mistake.
Ну, заходь, давай. Неси.